Hi, Tom Lino here. Uh, moth, Moss models and mistakes. I will forever forget that. I just wanted to stick my head in to express my appreciation for everybody I've talked to has really been super. I mean, I know that that's what this whole community is all about. We're all brothers and sisters, and I just can't tell you how that makes me feel. Because I'm finally getting to delve into something I've wanted my whole life to be delving into with everything I needed and all that stuff. And I even got I got one brother, um, you know, sent me a model to help me out. One of the kind of to do before making a huge paint commitment on the taxi. He wanted me to practice. He thought it was better, and I said, "All right." That was nice of him, very nice of him. But I mean, I don't know a lot of people. Um, there's even when something happens, it's like a family pulls together. And I don't even want to say his name wrong. All I can say is BK, because I can't remember. I'm starting to write people's names down and stuff because I had no idea anybody would really care. And now I'm talking to people and I'm getting, well, I get okay feedback. I like constructive criticism, and I get that. But this is, anyway, I'm just starting on that other model. I think I told somebody once, when I go to sleep at night, I have a television on, and it's on whoever. If it's model car videos, Matthew, and or Frank's model cars, or his name's Jason from Blue Buffalo, Blue Ox Buffalo. Jeez. See what I mean? I know exactly who he is and everything, but I can't get it out. So that's what happens to me, and I'm sorry. I had a wonderful. Oh, I can't remember his name, and it was a wonderful video. I subscribed to him. Hopefully, I wrote it down, but it's amazing how many people have disabilities or just different things that would enable anybody who doesn't really want to model, would make them just stop and go away. And these people don't. It's amazing. It's a huge example it's setting for me, and I'm getting all wishy-washy and stuff, but I just wanted everybody to know that, I sleep with that stuff on all night, hoping that something's going to seep in. And I'm finding, as I'm starting to work on models and stuff, that something's seeping in. I mean, I have it on during the day. When I'm in here, I'm retired, so it's hitting me in the face a lot. And anytime I see something, I go, if I'm not familiar with it, I'll go up and I'll like it or subscribe to the person, whoever it is. But I'm getting all this information, and now I'm just starting to apply it. And I think stuff has sunk in because I'm really paying attention to prep, paints. I'm having to go rattle can this time because of my airbrushes. I have no idea anymore with airbrushes. It's killing me, and I really, really want to do that. But I guess I just need to save up and get a really, really good one. Either fall apart or one. I want a single, just a single action airbrush to hook it up to my, from siphon or wherever, I don't care, and hook it up to my air compressor. I've got everything, but every time I buy something, the sizes are too small. And when you look to see what you had bought by mistake, there's nothing there to tell you the size. And it's like, ugh, why did I even do that, you know? So now I need to get one. But until then, I tried some brush painting. Other than, you know, trim and a little detailing, I'm not going to mess with brush painting on a car ever again. That was terrible. Okay. I don't know why I even started this, but I wanted to put that out there to show my appreciation. I'm a sap and you have to live with it, but I'm very excited that everything's getting started up right now. Yeah, I've got some spoons in the dehydrator with some gold paint on them. I got some bright yellow matte on them. Anyway, I'm just checking to see how things. They're both primers, so I'm just checking. Now I'm going to start once they're dry. I want to put some stuff on them and see what comes through. But it'd be easier to do it if I had an airbrush. So I think that's my next purchase. It's coming. They say they're not expensive. They're not really expensive, but I go cheap until I know what I'm doing. You know, so I didn't think it was going too cheap, but it was too cheap. Anyway, God bless you all. Today's my birthday. Happy birthday, Tom. And all I'm saying is happy birthday to me, to you, to Glenn a couple weeks ago. And it's kind of like, and I mean, it is my birthday, but if I say to somebody, and if I don't see you again, Merry Christmas, it could be July. And I mean it earnestly, because I don't think I'll see him until then. They think it's a little weird. Works for me. Okay, I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to let you, my camera comes today. Yes! I'm very excited. Everything's coming together. Thanks. Please stick with me. Please like and subscribe. But whatever you do, I thank you for stopping by, and I hope you find me again.